Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how to remove the front bumper on those cars. How to remove this? Very easy. Spanner of 17, and if you look under the bumper, you will notice that there's a bracket, one that's fitted on the car and one on the bumper. So obviously you will remove the bolt that's on the car, and the same thing here. So we remove these two and then we continue. If like me you have a problem removing the bolts because it's very heavily rusted, then obviously with just the spanner you won't be able to make it. Okay, so what you do, you take another spanner, you clip it and you remove it. Okay, that way you'll be able to take it out. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the bumper. I now have the bumper with me, and not sure if you can see it, but inside it's rusted, but this can be recovered. Either here it's completely gone. Surely it can be repaired, but it might be wiser for me to get a new bumper. Anyway, I will have a look at the options. Okay, now I would like to tell you as well that if you wish to help me on that channel, you can do so. You will see on the description of the video there's a link when you can support whenever you feel like. Okay, that money will help me buy new parts and then make new videos, which in turn will help you quite a bit. Okay, now regarding the rust, like what we've got here, I will place also a link on the description of the video where there's a video where I'm showing you hydrolysis. It's a process that you use electricity, you place the rusted part in water, then it removes all the rust, then you can treat it, paint it, etc., and then mount it back. Okay, like that you can preserve your cars. Okay, so now let's remove the rest of it. How to remove this now? Well, easy. We're gonna use a flat screwdriver like this one, a fine one, and look here at the corner. You see, between the plastic and the metal, there's a clip. So we're gonna pry it and remove it. Okay, once it's done, it's gonna be held by a few screws. It's number 10. They're located under and they are located behind the fender. Okay, so if you place your hand where the wheel is and you look behind this, you will see that screw. Okay, let's remove all this and we should be able to take it out. Sadly, I cannot remove that part. Why? Because as you can see, it's rusted, absolutely badly rusted. Okay, but here we can see the 1, 2, 3 points where the screws are at the bottom. I told you about the number 10. And the last one, it's here behind the fender. Okay, that one that's absolutely not coming out at the moment. Okay, I've placed a lot of penetrating oil, but there's no way it's not coming out at the moment. So highly likely I will have to replace it. I will have to cut it with an angle grinder and replace it. Thank God those cars have a lot of spare parts on the market. Okay, now that rubber has been able to come off. Okay, which is good, but it's no use to me if I don't have this part, because eventually that part I could have used the electrolysis as well to make it better, but I can see here it's badly gone. Okay, so I will simply replace it. Okay, but anyway, now you know how to remove the front bumper. So I hope that video has been useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself. Ciao.